The crypto world has been on a wild ride over the last couple of days, really since last Friday. The weekend started to get crazy. The T-Man himself released his own meme coin. Melania released a meme coin. Now it seems as though everybody is releasing meme coins, people trying to grab theirs. But one of the originals, Shiba Inu coin, continues to do very well, maintaining support, and it's picking back up at the moment. Shiba Inu coin sitting here, bouncing off what is potentially a triple bottom. Now, Shiba Inu coin is still doing very well, but of course we got our second bottom in this article right here. I think it's about a triple bottom now. But we're going to be looking at this article nonetheless, because Shib is potentially on the verge of a very nice bounce. The meme coin world is ready to explode. The only question that remains, will we take advantage of it? Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin's price is on the verge of finding its second bottom, potentially on the verge of finding its triple bottom here, and if it does, we could be bouncing off very nicely. Now, one of the things that I'm doing in preparation of this bull market, though, diversifying. I did buy, well, you can't see it there, let's just go here. I did buy a lot of the Trump and Melania meme coins. You guys can do so as well on the KSEX and BitUnix exchange if you don't want to use a decentralized exchange. And also heavily loaded up on Wall Street Pepe. These guys are doing phenomenal. And this looks like $2 million over the last 24 hours now. It's really picking up pace. They had 55 million yesterday. They're at 57.6 million today, which means that they're seeing huge inflows, essentially doubling, almost tripling what they were doing on a 24-hour basis over the last couple of weeks. So make sure to check out the links for Wall Street Pepe and the KSEX and BitUnix exchanges down there if you guys are interested in diversifying as well. But let's go over what's happening, because guys, I am beyond excited, and it's not just about Shiba Inu coin, right? It's about the entire meme coin market. Now, this was projected, January was projected to be lower than what we saw in December. But of course, with Donald Trump releasing, with the President of the United States of America releasing his own meme coin, here we are, expecting meme coin search volume out on Google to rise to new heights, continuing to explode over the last couple of months. People pouring in how to buy cryptocurrency at the highest levels that we have seen just prior to the bull market rally of 2021. Guys, I mean, if you put two and two together, if you look at all of these signs, I get it that Shib is still subdued in overall price at that 2,000 point per coin mark. But everybody is looking, everybody is waiting, and everybody is expecting massive moves in crypto and in meme coins, which has got me optimistic on Shiba Inu coin. Now, this article goes on to say that here we are again with Shib hanging by a thread, ready to either dive into the abyss or maybe, just maybe, spring back up. What... I get it, right? They're just kind of playing around a little bit. But what would cause somebody to think, other than a little bit of fear, uncertainty, and doubt about nobody knows what the future holds, what would cause somebody to think that cryptocurrency is even close to being bearish right now? Guys, the president has a meme coin. Okay? We've got World Liberty Financial buying tens of millions of dollars in cryptocurrency over the last couple of days. We've got the SEC promising to bring regulatory clarity now. It's like all of the clown upside down world that we lived in for the last couple of years, it's just the fog has cleared. And people are finally starting to make normal decisions again. Cryptocurrency is an industry ready to thrive, and meme coins are the sole focus. Now, with that being known, I guess it's just the fear, right? I guess it's just the uncertainty and doubt that keeps people kind of away. I don't know what's going to happen, therefore it's a risk. I can't take that risk. And I get it, right? If you can't take that risk, that is completely fine. But it is one that I've thought about, and I've justified it to myself, right? To me, it's a greater risk to sit on your hands and do nothing. To me, if I sat here again and just passively invested, or if I sat here again and just continued to mine cryptocurrency and let another bull market FOMO rally pass me by, That is the risk, you know? Why would I forego the opportunity to make tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or maybe even millions? I don't know what you guys' situation is. I am here, all right? And I am ready. So to me, it's a bigger risk to sit back and do nothing. It says a few days back, Shib held strong like a champ at that 2,000 point per coin mark, despite the market going nuts with nearly $1.5 billion in liquidations. That was supposed to be the floor, right? The points where everybody's like, okay, we're going to stop selling and start buying. But as it turns out, that floor had a trap door. I like the guy that wrote this article. Usually, you don't see this in You Today articles. They're a little bit more straightforward, but this guy's pretty good. In the last day or so, Shib took a nosedive, slipping just under that 2,000 point per coin mark. It's as if it wanted to test that level was really solid enough. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. Now 2,000 points per coin is not just support, but it's turned into a ceiling. I disagree with that part because we're already back up above 2,000 points per coin here. We're at 2020 at the moment, tapping this level. 1980 is the same thing as 2,000 points per coin. It says, so where's it headed to next? If we're looking at the charts, the next stop could be 1923, where the 200 period median average is chilling. This guy, who is this? Gamza, man. All right. Very nice. I'm going to have to look out for more Gamza's articles here because this is a little bit different than what I'm used to seeing on You Today. It says if it goes through that, there's going to be another floor at 1,700 points per coin, which is kind of like Shib's safety net in the past. Sentiment right now is like watching a tightrope walker in a storm. You know, one wrong step and down they go. But if they keep their balance, they just might make it to the other side. Shib's community is on the edge, eyes glued to their screens, wondering if this is the moment coins bounce back, or if we've got more room to slide. And bravo on the article, man. Kamza, if you watch this video, congratulations. I've never seen you write an article like this, and I do like it. A little bit more straightforward and kind of like conversational. So very good there. But guys, looking at the overall price, okay, Shiba Inu coin is holding steady at this horizontal level of support here. If we come out to the daily action, we can see that maybe this ascending channel has been broken. But what we are holding strong at is what was the horizontal resistance all throughout November or October into November, and then all throughout December into January. Support. And that is exactly where we are right now. So I don't know if people are necessarily ready to buy just yet, but they certainly aren't ready to sell down through that line. 2,000 points per coin seems to be very strong and a very optimistic level, and potentially the new floor. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on it, like Gamza says here. And we're going to have to make sure that we stay glued to the screen so that we can see if the tightroper makes it across his line. Now, if you guys are interested in accumulating, you can buy Shiba Inu coin on up to 100x leverage out on the KSX exchange. And these guys have by far the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen. Trump and Melania are on here if you guys want to grab them. And then, of course, you've got the Bit Unix exchange that offers up to 125x leverage. And they've got a lot of features like copy trading, bot trading coming soon, and so on. Don't forget about Wall Street Pepe. This is by far the biggest ICO we have ever seen, the fastest selling. Pepe Unchained was a little bit bigger, but I think these guys can surpass it. Only 23 days left, so pay attention to that timer if you guys are interested in getting in. Let me know what you're doing down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.